But having said that, I don't think that is really the issue. I think we need to sit back and ask ourselves, what are we asking for money for? And then not all counties are uniform, if I should say that. You see, there is a general call to increase resources, but we need to ask ourselves who actually requires resources, because you can't say that there's some counties that may require extra resources because of one need or other. But I would not necessarily say it's a blanket. Then when you get the resources, divide equally to those counties. So I think the issue of the amendment to the constitutional referendum is uncalled for and premature at this point in time.
Because before we talk to Wycliffe, I know who's on the line very quickly, and the argument would be the fact that Jubilee government has gone ahead to give more money is because that 15%, even in the government, it's not sufficient. So why then not have that figure in the constitution written and there, clear on pen and paper, that it is a higher threshold than it stands at now? Because you already feel that 15% is not enough.
I think there was a reason for that. You know, you cannot write everything in the Constitution. You can't, because then you bind yourself to a situation where you are inflexible. Let me give you an example. The Constitution provides that between a county and the national government can agree to transfer functions. So in a certain county, the national government can decide to give certain functions that we carry out to that county government, right? What happens when that process starts happening? Because there are 47 counties, so you will have different agreements with different counties depending on what it is that you have agreed between that county. Sometimes counties will come and say take over functions. You've seen what is happening even with Makueni. They're saying dissolve it. I mean, what happens in that situation? I think not everything is supposed to be pegged in the Constitution in terms of numbers and figures. The Constitution is supposed to provide the overall principles.
Some direction.
Yes, and then within that framework and environment, then you make certain decisions in collaboration and in the spirit of cooperation. That's what it provides.